Hey, what's up, guys? This is RP Developer. I would like to show you a quiz robot all of you. Robot in the sense robot or bot or transport, you can say anything, whatever you wish. But I will call it as robot only. Why? Because it gives me pleasure while calling it as robot. So, what our bot does, it will show you stamp a lot of COVID-19 patients of USA. And this is one scenario only. I will try to show you other scenarios in next video. So let me start my robot. You can see the bot is completed, and it gives some output. We got so many pages over here. We got date, states, positive, negative, pending, no, hospitalized currently. That means on this day, this many people were positive, this many people were negative, this many people were pending. I mean, this many cases were pending from this many states. Number of people hospitalized, retired. We got so many results. So that's it, guys. Thank you. If you need any website automation, you can ping me.